In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very easy way on how to update Google Chrome in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now, first things first, we need to bring up our Chrome. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, the best match will appear. All you need to do is you need to wait until an option which is open to continue. So click on it so that you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser itself. So in a few moments, you would be able to open up a window which is your Google Chrome. All you need to do is you need to double tap to it to expand it. And from here, we just have to wait until everything are set before we continue to this step. So from here, please navigate at the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Click on it to control and customize Google Chrome. And all you need to do is you need to proceed with the settings. So eventually you would be redirected to the Chrome settings. All you need to do is you need to locate for the option which is help. Okay, so if you haven't seen any of here, all you need to do is you need to click on the three dots here again and go with help. Okay, and click on about Google Chrome. Okay, so you can also navigate manually, okay, by going with the about Chrome here at the left pane, place at the bottom. So from here, the moment you click on it, you would be able to see the if your Google Chrome is up to date. In my case, it is an up to date, meaning I have the latest version of Google Chrome. But if you, in your case, if your Google Chrome is outdated, it will automatically update your Chrome the moment you've clicked on the About Chrome or the Help. Okay, so just have to wait until the updating would be finished. Okay. Just have to wait until it would be finished since the moment you click on the help pane, it will automatically update your Google Chrome. So once it is done, it will ask you to relaunch the Chrome. Just relaunch it. And the moment you've relaunched it, you would be able to have the latest version, which is 136.0.7103.49, which is 464-bit PC. Okay. So this is one. So once you're good, close the window and that's it. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.